Hello friends, today I'm going to share a tip with you for increasing your Facebook page likes. First of all, you need to run a Facebook ad to increase the Facebook page likes, and I can show you my results. See, I'm running a Facebook page likes campaign to one of my client, and the results are is in front of you that I got 662 page likes, and per like it costs me 2.47 rupees, and total spent is 1633.81. The tip which I want to share with you is, besides these 662 page likes, you can do one more thing. Click on the business suite, click on the page on which you are running your ad. See, now 2688 page likes are there and Instagram followers are 1010. Now go to the tools, click on notification. There are so many notifications. Find out the notification which shows you the likes or reaction of people on the ad. This one is here. See, this is the stats. You can do one thing, and you can observe here I have invited many of them. See, some of them already have liked the page and some of them haven't liked it, so I have invited them. You can invite them by clicking one by one. Obviously they have reacted to your ad, so they will be liking or they will accept your invite. See, this is invite, I am clicking it. The other one, because I already have done these invitations, that's why I couldn't find much. Okay, so I have invited all which have reacted to the ad video or post. Now I have sent them the invitation by clicking here. In this way you can increase the page likes manually as well. So it's a bonus tip. Besides running Facebook ad and spending amount in that, you can avail more likes by this trick. If you like the video, press the thumbs up button, subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.